Convert 99 base 10 to base 6. Solution. We draw a table. Now we write 99 here. Then what we are converting to? What base? Base 6. 99 divided by 6. That's what? 16. Because 16 times 6 will give us what? 96. So we have remainder what? 3. Now we divide by 6 again. 16 divided by 6. What do we have? 2. 2 times 6. 12. Take away from 16. That will be remainder what? 4. Then we use 6 to divide. 2 divided by 6. What will you have? 0. What's the remainder? Remainder what? 2. Don't forget to take it from bottom to up. Then we conclude our answer. We have 99 base 10 to what base? The first number down, 2, 4, 3. Base what? That's base 6. That is the solution to the problem.